Okay, hi everybody. Today I'm going to be making a Schleich horse blanket for your Schleich horses. Now I'm going to be listing some of the materials that we're going to need. So the first thing is going to be yarn, any color, scissors, a glue stick, and a pen, some ribbon, a paper towel, and of course your model horse. Okay, first you're going to draw the shape of where the head is going to go through. You're just going to do it very carefully and then you're going to cut the shape of it out so that you can try it on your horse to see if it fits. Okay. Now just try it on your model horse and see if it fits. I know it may look a little bit long, but just wanting to see if the neck shape fits. Okay, now I'm just gonna draw a little dot to see where the bottom of the blanket's going to end. You're gonna do it on the other side too, just approximately where it would be, and then you're gonna cut the shape. Great. Then try it on your model horse and just see where the bottom of the blanket should go. And when you find that, just put a little dot where you think that should go. Perfect. Now, just cut the rest of that out. Just cut it the whole way through, and then, once you do that, the next step is going to come. You'll have that shape, so now you try it on your model horse. Now, I did it a bit too long here, so I'm just gonna cut the bottom a bit. Okay, so I cut it and it fits good. Now you're gonna cut the edges just to make it have a round corner. And you're gonna do it on the other side too. Okay, now when you do it on the other side, we're going to do it on the bit where it goes around the horse's chest. So now try that on and see if it looks good. Okie dokie. So that should be good. Now you're gonna get your glue stick and your yarn. So first you're gonna glue the first little edge, and then once you're finished gluing it, you're gonna place the ribbon where we glued it. And then you're gonna do that same thing the whole way around. But I actually made a mistake there, so don't put the yarn at the top of. Okay, so don't put the yarn where the chest goes, on the top of the little thing where the chest goes, because you're not supposed to do that. You're supposed to put the ribbon there so it can attach. So don't do what I did at the top, but you do have to put the yarn the whole way around. Okay, so now that we've done that, you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut off that bit of yarn so that we can just fix that. And that's the mistake that I made, so I just cut that bit off. So now get your glue stick and just start gluing on where the neck can go. And get your ribbon again and just place it there. Now my hand was kind of in the way here, so sorry if you can't see properly. It was kind of hard to do it with the camera. Okay, so now get your scissors again and cut off that bit. Perfect. Okay, cut off a bit of ribbon and glue it on, and a little bit of yarn too. So as you can see, I cut off the ribbon and I actually glued the ribbon on there. And now get the yarn and cut it off and glue that on to where the ribbon was. Now as you can see, it looks so nice, and do the exact same there, but instead get the ribbon that you glued on there and stick it on the other side. Okay, Now you just get another piece of ribbon and stick it on there with the glue stick. And then you try it on. There you go. Thank you for watching.